channel. As I've said, we are going to solve this problem with another method, and this is the second method. And as we have it, the drawing below is a parallelogram ABCD. Enlarge the figure in the ratio of 4 to 6. Okay, so what we need to do is to replicate this figure first. The length AB is 40 millimeters and the height is 30 millimeters. And this 30 millimeters is not for side BD, neither is it for side AC. It is the height of the parallelogram. And the angle that line AC makes with line AB here is 60 degree. It's 60 degree. The angle here is 60 degree, while the exterior angle is 120 degree. So what we need to do, as I said, to replicate the figure, as I said, so we are going to draw a horizontal line here like this. Okay, so on this horizontal line we take a measurement of 40 millimeters. So this is the starting point. This is 40 millimeters. So this point, I will call this point, this is point A, and this is point B. So the next thing that we are going to do is that I'm going to take my 30 degrees set square. So 30 degrees set square, our 60 degree side of it. So I will use that 60 degree side of this set square to draw a line in this direction. And I will also draw a line in this direction. So then I'm going to draw a vertical line. So around here, I'll draw a vertical line here, around here like this. So on this vertical line, I will use it to take the height of the parallelogram, which is 30. Then here I'm going to draw a horizontal line from here to here. So this is point C and this is point D here. Okay, so next thing I'm going to do is that from point B here, I'm going to draw a radial line so that I pass through point C. So the radial line goes like this. So passing through point C like this. Then I will also draw a radial line from B passing through point D, and it goes like this. Now the next that we are going to do is that we are going to extend this line. Okay, so I'm going to make 6 equal divisions on this line from B. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so if I number this, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, 5, and this is 6. Okay, so we have this. So the next thing I'm going to do is that from point B here, I will draw a vertical line down, a line that will be at a right angle to the horizontal, that is to line AB. So the next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to locate the midpoint of point A and point 4. So we need to bisect distance A4. So putting a big point of my compass at A, so extending to a convenient radius, I'll draw an arc up here and down here like this. Then if I put at point 4, so draw an arc here and here. Okay, so the line is exactly, the midpoint will be exactly on point B. Okay, so the midpoint is here. So I'll just call the midpoint, I'll call it point X here. Okay, so next thing I'm going to do is to put a point on my compass here at the midpoint X here, extending to 4. So let me check it. Okay, so here I'm going to draw a semicircle. Okay. Alright, so at this point, so we have wherever the semicircle touches this vertical line, so we call it 4 prime. Next is for me to bisect distance A6. So putting the pinpoint on my compass at A here and extend it to a convenient radius. So here I draw an arc up here and down here putting it at 4, at 6. So draw an arc here and here. Alright, so I draw the bisector. So it goes like this. So this is point Y here. So that's the midpoint of A and 6. So I put the point on my compass at point Y. So extending to 6 like this, and then okay. So I'm going to I will draw a semicircle. So it goes like this. Okay. Alright, so meeting A at this point. Alright, so next thing that I'm going to do, so it meets the vertical line at this point here. So I call this point, I call it 6 prime. So what I need to do now is to connect A and 4 prime together. So like this. Then I will take my set square. So setting the set square here like this. So with the ruler in support. So I will shift the set square to 6 prime. Okay, then I will draw a line. So it made this line at this point. So this point is point A1. Alright, so then the next thing I'm going to do is that I need to get point C1. So I just take my set square. So setting my set square, my set square and the ruler. So setting my set square on AC like this. Then I will shift it to A1. I will draw this line. So this point here is point C1. Then to get point D1, I will set my set square like this. And I will shift it to C1. Then I will draw. Okay, so this point is point D1. So all I need to do is to make this line a thick line for the enlargement, and then so this line also I'll make it a thick line. Okay, so we have enlarged this figure as we are instructed. So the enlarged figure is A1, B, D1 and C1. That's the enlarged figure. So this is the second method, as simple as I've done it here. Thank you and God bless you.